12/2017 Ford Focus air filter replacement. This could be tricky if you don't do it right, and you'll struggle. However, it's really easy to replace if you know what you're doing. First, you remove this cover that goes here. Has screws here, there, another one there, another one here, 4 of them, 8mm. You don't have to remove the screws, just loosen it enough whereby you can lift this out of position and set it aside. So the first thing you want to do is engage the air filter where it meets the throttle body air intake. There. You engage that, and then what you must do is to press down on the air filter whereby it engages those 2 tabs down there. As you can see, this thing is lined up with it. There, the 2 tabs down there. You press down and those tabs engage the air filter and it's in place. And then you simply put this back on. Also, there's a groove there and a groove on the other side, but once you engage those tabs, it's in place, and then this simply goes on top. This goes on top like so, and it's done. Just tighten the screws and it's complete. Really easy.